Hi, it's Imogen from Perfect Placement, and I'm here to introduce another of our fantastic motor trade opportunities in the Newbury area. Our client, a prestige body shop, are looking to hire a vehicle smart repair technician with previous body shop experience to join their company. This company can offer sociable working hours of Monday to Friday, 8 AM till 5 PM, with overtime available during busy periods. Our client is offering a basic salary of up to $25,000 with on-target earning potential of around $30,000. This vacancy is being managed by one of our recruitment executives, Tyler Spencer, and she'd love to hear from anyone that's interested. Like all of our vacancies, we are just looking to introduce the right person to our client. Last year we had over 700 people take advantage of our referral scheme. Now it's even easier. Please forward this video to anyone you know who'd be interested. Please ask them to mention your name when applying. We'll pay you up to £100 in vouchers of your choice just for a successful referral. Thanks for watching, and please keep an eye out for more videos like this.